Hello everyone, Candice Mole here with some Australian accent tips for you. And today I'm going to be taking us back to basics and looking at how to pronounce the alphabet with an Australian accent. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome! This video is for people like you. I have a lot of videos breaking down the Australian accent or dialect, so if you're interested in Australia and how people like me speak, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and it's completely free. It won't cost you a thing. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Now, this topic was actually a question that was in the comments of one of my other videos. So to that person who asked this question, thank you very much. I am more than happy to go through the letters of the alphabet and explain to you which sounds they use, just in case you ever need to. Maybe you're spelling your name and nobody understands you because you don't speak with an Australian accent. I understand, I feel your pain. It happens to me here in the United States all the time. I have to use an American accent if I'm spelling my name, giving a date of birth, giving a phone number, because otherwise it all gets messed up. Not their fault, just happens. So let's go through this alphabet. I'm going to take you through the alphabet and really just show you how an Australian pronounces each letter. I've already got videos up that break down the short vowel sounds and the long vowel sounds. So what I'll do with each letter, I will tell you which vowel sound is used if you just need to say that letter out loud, okay? And if you're not sure how to pronounce that or what your mouth shape should be doing, you can go back and check out the video that is specific to that sound, all right? So let's get started. The alphabet. A. The letter A uses the long A sound. A. B. The letter B uses a long E sound. B. C. Also the long E sound with the letter C. D. Uses the long E sound. F. F uses a short E sound, which is pronounced E. F. G uses a long E sound. H uses a long A sound. H is a interesting one with the Australian dialect because the habit in Australia is to put a H at the beginning of it. So a lot of people in Australia might say H. It's a big debate. If you want to pronounce it correctly as far as English goes, there's no H sound, it's just H. But if you want to put a H in the front and say H, that's okay. In Australia, it's completely acceptable. I uses the long I sound. I. J uses a long A sound. J. K is the long A sound. K. H-I-J-K. L uses the short E. L. Short E sound. M uses a short E sound as well. E. N is the short E sound. O uses the long O sound. It's in that long vowel sound video. O. P uses a long E sound. P. Q uses the long U sound, or the long double O sound. It's the same. Q. R. We don't say R. You really just open your mouth and say ah. And that's actually the AH sound. Ah. I think I cover that one in my short vowel sound video. Ah. Simple. Just open your mouth and make a noise. S is a short E sound. S. T is a long E sound. Q-R-S-T. U is that long U sound, or the long double O. U. V is a long E sound. This is really hard. As I'm explaining which sound to use, I lose track of which letter I'm up to. I've got to do the rhyme. Did you know that they've changed the alphabet song? I just saw it the other day. Maybe I'm late to the game and everybody knows that already, but I saw it on TikTok. New alphabet song. It's most upsetting. I don't like it. I feel like most grown-ups won't like that. Kids are fine. They're learning it for the first time, but having to relearn the alphabet song is a bit of a stretch. It's bad enough that they've changed maths. It's much too confusing for adults. Element of Q-R-S-T-U-V-W. Double, da is a short U sound. Double, U is that long U sound. W. X is that short E sound. E, X. Y is a long I. And Z is a short E sound. We don't say Z in Australia. Generally, we would say Z, unless your kid has been watching American Sesame Street, and then your kid might say Z, but generally it's a Z. Okay? That also relates to a zebra. We don't say zebra, we say zebra. And that, my friend, is the alphabet with an Australian accent. Once again, check out my other videos if you need help to pronounce those sounds. And subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. If this helped you, give me a thumbs up. This video was actually a question from my comments. So if you have a specific question, I would love to answer it. So go ahead and write it down. And if I can come up with a video that will answer your question, then I will. Have a great week, everyone. Bye!